I've had, in about a year's period, I had 2 hand surgeries and then another procedure done to my hand with Dr. Murley, who is wonderful. And so I was referred from my therapy up to Memorial Hand and Shoulder Therapy. It was a wonderful experience. I'm just very fortunate that I was referred there. Well, the exercise therapy and the heat feels really good with these particular things and helps to straighten things out. There was some stuff with some corncob flour that she did and some paraffin that felt good. It was, I could move my hands again and it just felt better, everything felt better. And I knew I was going to have some limitations just strictly because of having my finger cut about 5 inches long. So, but you know what? It's been great. And if I needed anything else afterwards, they developed some things for me to sleep with, it is just different things that they've done for me that have made me feel very special when I come here. Well, I enjoy golf. I didn't get to play much last year because my hands were in bandages or and going through the therapy. So it's been fun this spring to be able to go out and play some golf again. That's one thing that I really enjoyed. And then, just being able to pick the grandkids up and things like that I wasn't able to do when it was hurting so badly. Cindy's very knowledgeable with everything. She's just wonderful. My experience there was great. When you walk in, from the time you see Colleen or Sarah, and they're just treating you wonderfully there. It's almost like family there. And then you see Katie but Cindy is really special and she makes you feel like part of the family, and you can feel like they really cared what happened with you and how your progress was going. First off, I would say obviously to come here, to come to Memorial, because my treatment was spectacular, and I couldn't have asked for anything more. Plus the care that you get, the warmth, the kindness that they have, but the professionalism, the knowledge that's there, the different equipment that's there. I think it's top notch, and I don't know who could be any better, but I know this, that if I had to go through it again, I know exactly where I'd come, and I'd come right here to Memorial Hand and Shoulder Therapy. I'd make sure that Cindy took care of me.